So I'm really excited about this new song and dance. We just got a new kitten, and her name is Sugar. And she looks like sugar. She's kind of like a whitish gray. So I named her Sugar Honey Morris. That's her name because I'm going to do the Sugar Sugar song, Honey Honey. Remember that by the Archies? Yeah, so that's an old one, right? So remember that old cartoon, right? So it is going to simulate a patty cake. How long has it been since you guys did patty cake? Okay, watch. Patty cake, baker's man. Okay, that's the movement. Okay, I'm not going to say those words while we're doing it, right? But that's the movement. So it starts first. Patty cake, baker's man. Okay, and there'll be a little bit like this, and then we clap again, and we go 1 and 2. You guys remember doing that with your girlfriends? I totally remember that. Okay, so watch. It goes sugar, honey, honey, Then you are my candy girl with a heart. And then a hug, and you got me wanting you. Good, and then the next round is, then he says it, honey, right? Honey, sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. Good, okay, you guys got that? And I think we do that probably 8 times, okay? So by the end, you'll get that. And we're going to be doing the heel stomp kind of in like a smaller pattern. So it goes out, in, good. Out, in. Then there's a double time, so it goes like this. Yeah, and then the other side, it's a double, right. Good. All right, I know. Okay, then the second round, guess what? We're going to add the hand, right? So we go this, right? So the first round is going to be slow, 1 on each side, and then there's the double time, so we'd go. Look at how good you guys are. Lena's just watching right now. She's absorbing. Okay? All right, so we'll do the patty cake one more time with the words, right? Sugar, honey, honey, you are my candy girl, and the hug, and you got me wanting you. Good. All right, we're gonna give it a go. Oh no, there's one more important thing. So what do you do with sugar? Pour a little sugar on me, honey. Pour a little sugar on me, baby. Ooh, you make life so sweet. I call this sweet sparkles, right? And then we're going to pour it again, right? Twice on the one side, twice on the other side. And then there's going to be a double pour for the shoulders, okay? We got it. It's going to be fun. We'll do this one a lot because it's so much fun. Okay, here we go. Got the beat, good. Get ready for the patty cake. Sugar. Honey, honey, heart, you are my candy girl. Good, and your hug. And you got me wanting you. Good, we're gonna repeat it again. Push it out. Honey, sugar, sugar, heart, you are my candy girl. And your hug. And you got me wanting you. Good, hands on your hip for the heel stomp. I just can't believe the loveliness of love. Good, other side. I just can't believe it's true. And a double time. I just can't believe the wonder of this feeling too. I just can't you guys are so great. Here we go. Sugar. Honey, honey. You are my candy girl. And the hug. And you got me wanting you. Another round. Oh, honey. Sugar, sugar. You are my candy girl. And you got me wanting you. Hands on your hips with the matching arm. When I kissed you, girl, I knew how sweet a kiss could be. I know how sweet a kiss can be. Double it up, 2 on side. Like the summer sunshine, pour your sweetness over me. Pour your sweetness over me. Oh, pour it. Oh, sugar, sugar on me, honey. Good, other side. Pour little sugar on me, baby. Sweet sparkles. That's so sweet. Hey, hey, one encore. Pour little sugar on me. Oh, yeah. Another one. Pour little sugar on me, honey. Both. Pour little sugar on me, baby. Sweet sparkles. I'm gonna make life so sweet. Yeah, yeah. Both arms. go, patty cake.
Sugar, honey, honey.
Heart
You're my candy girl.
and your hug.
And you got me wanting you.
Good, last one.
Oh, honey, sugar, sugar, honey, sugar, you're my candy girl.
Blue sparkles. Oh, how was that? Was that a darling? In honor of Sugar Honey Morris, my new cat.